sound is this, Yamir?
Frog.
Is it soft or loud?
Loud. Soft.
Do you hear it outdoor or indoor?
Outdoor.
Good job. Listen. Fadi, what sound is this? What sound is this? It's a doorbell. Huh? Is it soft or loud? Loud. Do you hear it outdoor or indoor? Indoor. Good job. What's this, yeah, Mazen? What sound is this? It's a dog. Huh? Is it soft or loud? Loud. Do you hear it outdoor or indoor?
Outdoor.
Good job. What's this? What's this? Is it soft or loud?
Loud.
Do you hear it outdoor or indoor?
Outdoor.
Good job. What sound is this, ya Muhammad? It's a bell. Is it soft or loud? Muhammad? Is it soft or loud?
Loud.
Do you hear it outdoor or indoor?
Indoor.
Indoor. Yes. What sound is this, ya Muhammad? Right. Is it soft or loud? Do you hear it outdoor or indoor? Indoor. Good job, Muhammad. What sound is this, Tia? It's a bird. Is it loud or soft? Do you hear it outdoor or indoor? Good job. What sound is this, Tia Sami? Fire. Is it loud or soft? Do you hear it outdoor or indoor? Do you hear it outdoor or indoor?
Outdoor.
Good job. What sound is this, Imran? Is it soft or loud?
Loud. Soft.
Do you hear it outdoor or indoor?
Indoor.
Good job. What sound is this, Yusuf? It's a boat.
A boot.
Boat.
Boat.
Is it soft or loud?
Loud.
Do you hear it outdoor or indoor?
Outdoor.
Good job. What sound is this, Ludi? Ambulance. Is it soft or loud?
Loud.
Do you hear it outdoor or indoor? Outdoor. Good job. What sound is this, Sarah? It's a duck. Is it soft or loud?
Loud.
Do you hear it outdoor or indoor?
Indoor.
Do you hear the duck outdoor? It's
Outdoor.
outdoor. Good job.
Is it loud or soft? Loud. You hear it indoor or outdoor? Outdoor. Good job. Yes, Dawood. Is it soft or loud?
Soft.
Soft. Do you hear it indoor or outdoor? Indoor. Good job. Airplane. Is it soft or loud?
Loud.
Loud. Do you hear it indoor or outdoor?
Outdoor.
Outdoor. Good job. What sound is it, Ya Yusuf? Ambulance. Is it loud or soft?
Soft.
What sound is it? Yes, Amir. What sound is it? Fire. Is it soft or loud? Indoor or outdoor? What sound is it, Lana?
Loud.
Frog. Is it soft or loud?
Loud.
No, soft, yes. Is it indoor or outdoor? Do you hear it indoor or outdoor?
Outdoor.
Outdoor. Good job. Yes. What's this, Yasanan? Owl. Is it soft or loud? Yes. You hear it indoor or outdoor? Outdoor. Good job. Yes. Is it loud or soft? Loud. You hear it indoor or outdoor? Outdoor. Good job, Iman. What sound is it? Yes. Is it soft or loud? Soft. Do you hear it indoor or outdoor? Indoor. Good job. Yes, Omar. What's this? What sound is it? It's a duck. Right? Is it soft or loud? Loud. Indoor or outdoor? Do you hear it indoor or outdoor? Outdoor. Good job, Omar. Sound is it? Okay. Sanat, is it soft or loud? Soft or loud? 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 Type. Is it indoor or outdoor? Outdoor. Okay. Yes. Is it loud or soft? Loud or soft? Is it indoor or outdoor? Good job, Hassan. Yes. What is it? Is it soft or loud? Is it indoor or outdoor? Indoor. Good job. What sound is it, Yadima? Yes. Is it soft or loud? Soft. Good job. Is it indoor or outdoor? Indoor. Good job. What sound is it, Johannes? Rain. Is it loud or soft? Is it loud or soft? Is it indoor or outdoor? Good job. Hassan, listen. What sound is it? Fire. Is it loud or soft? So, is it indoor or outdoor? Outdoor. Good job. What sound is it? Susan, what sound is it? Yes. Is it indoor or outdoor? What's this? What's this? Frog. Is it loud or soft? Susan, loud or soft? Soft. Outdoor. Good job. Airplane. Yes. Ayan. Is it soft or loud? Adam?
Do you have the bird?
Soft, yes. Is it indoor or outdoor? Outdoor. What sound is it?
Let me see what the.
Bear.
It's a bird.
Good job.
Very nice. It's a bird.
What's this little fish? Yusuf? What's this? Is it soft or loud? Loud. Is it indoor or outdoor? Good job.